Kintsugi. What is it? Kintsugi is a Japanese art form of repairing broken pottery with gold or silver lacquer. The technique emphasizes the beauty of imperfection and the history of the object. Kintsugi is said to have originated in the 15th century when a shogun sent damaged pottery back to China for repair and was dissatisfied with the unsightly staples used in the process. This inspired Japanese artisans to develop a more aesthetically pleasing technique. If you're anything like me, you definitely have your fair share of broken plates. But fear not, because with this ancient art form, we'll be giving those pieces a new lease on life. Now, traditionally real gold was used, but since I don't have that lying around, we're going to be making use of some easy to get art supplies at our local arts and crafts store. All you're going to need is a broken pot, some ceramic glue, gold powder, and an art brush. Once you've selected your first piece, apply the glue evenly to the broken edge, making sure to use a little extra so it seeps out of the cracks in a nice way. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Imperfection is the whole point of Kintsugi, and it adds beauty to the final piece. After you've attached the piece, you'll see some glue seeping out of the cracks. That's where the gold powder comes in. Take a fine brush and coat it in the gold powder, then use it to tap onto the exposed glue. This is a delicate and mindful practice, so don't rush it. The point is to get absorbed in the process and just enjoy it. It's important to know that this is a pretty messy process. My broken vase had a lot of tiny little pieces that were really hard to put together, and I ended up getting glue on my fingers and the gold was sticking all over it. So if that happens to you too, then the only thing I can suggest is using nail polish remover or acetone to try to wipe away that glue and help dissolve it so you can get the clear lines again. And if the lines didn't perfectly come out, another technique I used was later mixing the gold with the glue to create a sort of glue paint, and using a really thin brush to line up on the lines. That way you can get some pretty clean lines with the same effect as dusting the gold on. Once it's finally dried, you'll want to wash off any extra gold powder that didn't attach to the glue. And voila! Your pot is now better than new, with its fine gold lines and special imperfections. I actually think it looks really unique and beautiful compared to how it was before I broke it. If you enjoyed this video, it would really help a small channel like me out if you gave it a like. I just do this for fun, so I'm down to make whatever you guys are interested in, or whatever I'm interested in at the time. Other than that, thank you for watching and have a great day.